All right, how you doing today? Today we got a free 70s drum kit. This is Drum Locker by Assault Audio. And yeah, this is a free player and with this free 70s drum kit, and they looks like they have some deals. $5 for the other kit. They got modern drums, 80s kit, metal kit, and Drumulator or Drumanator or whatever. These are all $5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. For 20 bucks, I guess you could get them all. I don't know how long that's going on for, but let's check this out. Very simple layout. We got our drums here. We got our mixer page. It's MIDI mapping, I guess. And then we have our play button here where there's no beats in this one. And I have no presets either. So, but here's the dry kit, and we'll go through some effects here. So on the master, I have compression, EQ, verb, dynamics. Let's turn those off. A lot drier, if you will. And then, we could dial in your EQ here. And we could do that for every channel. Maybe with some kick drum here. Different effects for every channel as well. So very bare bones, very simple to use. One drum kit free here. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. Check out my other video here too. I have this, I don't know how long this one's going to be free for, but it's the Liquid Death Snare. It'll be a video right there, somewhere on the screen or in the description or whatever. So check that out as well. Yeah, so pretty cool. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.